forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to my fans to TV. It's the Petway Premiership. Richards Bay 1, Kaizer Chiefs 0. I'm joined by Umfana Semnambiti.
Stu.
Njaya Mwasanda.
Grand Stu.
Fresh.
I think ngibona for the first time namhlanje.
Louise. Oh, no.
Serious. Yazi sihlanga.
Ecamereni.
Ecamereni.
Yeah, sure.
No, yeah, Stu. Yazi kunalento abanokisho bathi when the system is not working.
Yeah.
That is where you see ama mistakes.
Sure.
You see when the system is working, you don't see any mistakes.
None.
You see ukuthi kunezinye izinto ezithi mazenzeka, especially in a football club.
Yeah.
Angeke ukwazi ukuzisho noma angeke ukwazi ukuzibona just because of the team is winning.
Yeah.
So if you take the into Kaizer Chiefs, I think abantu bayinotice manje, like you see many fans they are saying ama co-coaching le khona Khalil kanye naye uKhendrick Gazi.
Yeah.
Bathi abahambi manje. If ubheka kathi kuqala isizini, there were some games Kaizer Chiefs ewawinile bayabo 1-1 elandelana. And abantu abazange bayinotice leyo nto ukuthi inkinga because the team was winning.
Yes.
So when the system is working, abantu they don't see any mistakes. But right now, as isikhathi sihamba, Kaizer Chiefs gets more exposed. Remember, this is the team being a concede maqala season.
Yeah.
Bekuyi team I think be second best with defense if competition iparates. Being a concede, even the goalkeeper Peterson was considered as one of the best at the moment because of Begaga concede ama goals.
Yeah.
But as isikhathi sihamba, you look at the CAF Confed Cup. If you bheka, there was indlela abaqala ngayo if you check ukuthi yathi kuba kancane. Remember Chiefs yaba I think second last quick group. But babuya ngezesco bawin against iAlmasi, everyone waba nethemba. But they considered 2 goals baphuma kwi-CAF Confed. If you bheka le game Black Label Cup le against Stellenbosch, that was a big game. Kaizer Chiefs at the time, fans of Kaizer Chiefs base look at Stellenbosch is our daily bread. But Stellenbosch was keep Chiefs. Not good Kwabe is the only time like Stellenbosch is keep on the Chiefs. Nedbank Cup, same thing. And this time Baba keeping a scoreline 2 goals. Nedbank Cup Papu. Right now, the same Stellenbosch started winner during a week before it up 2-1 against Kaizer Chiefs.
Sure.
Now now the system is failing.
Yeah,
there are some mistakes. If you say Tata Sipega last season, there was a Coach Nabi. If you remember Coach Nabi, there were some games whereby you can say Unabi should have won this game, but he lost those games up until Unabi was a position 9. Where were these guys? Were were part of the team.
They were there.
And now Oshunabi. But you share Lamachitech, you think they will do better. But last season they were with this guy, Omkipil. When these guys are better than the other guy, because if Pegunabi, why Nabo Fernando the Cruz, there were a lot of guys. Abebekona la Payagu technical team yak, my figure Kaizer Chiefs. Some of them Baham, Babybon, and Babybon Gozi, or they think they were better teams abang Jale. But Kutema Kambiskati, Unabe was losing games Amachitakon. Put the match at my minute my game. I don't know. I can say Amalaki wins. But what taller if Nabi away.
Yeah.
Then Kaizer Chiefs with those wins, they were convinced that these guys are the best. They can coach Chiefs for the whole season.
Yeah.
If we pair and everything, even Nama subs, even Nama starting 11, everything is not consistent.
Wrong.
Kona lo namhlanje ubani ulimele kusasa ubani khona ubani asimthola ubani ube ne term laba suspended badelelile somewhere asazi badelelile basho kanjalo bathi badelelile but nangu ushaba namhlanje ukhona but last game idaba akayidlala ngathi udelelile why namhlanje akhona why imfundo angekho bapha bothulani touch vilakazi mabaso all those guys awazi ushinga izolo lokhu bekuthiwa akanayo fitness right now ushinga seyanikeza ichat if ubheka uChislet uhlale the whole season angadlali bese sefika manje sefika nje out of nowhere besazi ukuthi asazi nokuthi kwenzakalana azange update ama fans ukuthi uChislet this is the last time I think i-update yaphuma ku-update yokuthi ama legal what lama phepha mela sayinwe ukuthi bekwazi ukudlala ku-PSL yalungisa leyo nto I think 4 months ago but right now if you look at the system, everyone is there. Abo-Chiefs abakhona, abo-Shinga abakhona now, lama coaches akhona, but Kaizer Chiefs is losing.
Yeah.
When the system is working, we won a mistake. But when the system is not working, yeah, we won a
Hey,
mistake.
Thank you. Thank you.